Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to temporarily deactivate your Snapchat account. So first of all, just go ahead and open up the Snapchat app. And what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just go ahead and click on my Bitmoji at the top left. And from here, just go ahead and click on your settings gear at the top right. Scroll a little bit down, till you find the last option, which is account actions, and go ahead and click delete account. Now, of course, you need to have, or you need to log in and confirm that you own that account. So you're gonna enter your username or email or even phone number, and you're gonna be able to enter your password, and you're gonna see a window just like this. And here it says your account will be deactivated, which means your friends won't be able to contact you on Snapchat. You will also lose any chats that you saved, any snaps and chats you haven't opened. After 30 days, your account will be deleted. So if the 30 days window is good for you and you want to deactivate it with that, with within the 30 days parameter, just go ahead and do it and enter your username and password and basically hit delete account, and your account will be deactivated for 30 days. But if you want to delete it permanently, just leave it out, and after 30 days your account will be deleted permanently. Alright, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell. Thank you for watching.